This divination was made December 22nd, 2023. Came the glory that the early believed is been the profaned and have found heap that thou thee up pains in you. AMOS chapter 8 verse 12. And they shall wander from sea to sea, and from north even to the east. They shall run to and fro to seek the word of the Lord, and shall not find it. Amos chapter 9 verse 11. In that day will I rise up the tabernacle of David that is fallen, and close up the breaches thereof, and I will raise up his ruins, and I will build it as in the days of the old. Haggai chapter 2 verse 10. In the 20th day of the 9th month, in the 2nd year of Darius, came the word of the Lord by Haggai the prophet, saying, Job chapter 8 verse 5. If thou wouldest seek earnestly unto God, and make thy supplication to the Almighty. SHEMOT chapter 26 verse 29. And thou shalt hang it upon 4 pillars of acacia, overlaid with gold, their hooks being of gold, upon 4 sockets of silver.